Kurtis have become a wardrobe staple for fashion-conscious women who appreciate the perfect blend of style and comfort. While the front design of a kurti often takes the spotlight, the back neck design should not be underestimated. A well-crafted back neck design can transform an ordinary kurti into a stunning fashion statement. In this video, we will explore some captivating kurti back neck designs ideas that can elevate your style and make heads turn wherever you go. Hey, my name is Hiba and you are watching Stunning Designs by Hiba.